Alright, Carpet Steam Pro. Job of the day, Potomac, Maryland. Have a 4-area job. I believe it's 3 rooms and 1 flight of stairs, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna be cleaning it for the customer. I'm gonna go in here and look at the areas to see what's what, and I'll be showing some footage. So I want you guys to stay tuned. Omar, Carpet Steam Pro. This is us right here. Hi, it's Omar from Carpet Steam Pro.
Hello?
Yeah, this is Omar from Carpet Steam Pro.
Yes.
Yes, I'm at the gate right now.
Access granted.
Alright. Going in. See what's going on with these areas. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, what's up guys? Omar from Carpet Steam Pro. So yeah, it looks like so far I just saw the basement. I couldn't remember, the owner is not here, so but I did see the basement area. It looks like it's 2 areas. Well, 1 area can be considered 2 areas. So I told her on the phone when I booked the job that if it was over 200 square feet, it was going to be considered, the 1 area would be considered 2 areas. So get ready to get my stuff in here. So stay tuned for some footage. All right, inside now. This is one of the areas. It's actually a bigger area, so this will be considered 2 areas. It's over 200 square feet, well over. Customers concerned about a water stain. And I think that was from this chair, because this chair was over there, so we'll see about that. The furniture stain depends on how long it was there. This area not too bad. A little water stain there, I believe. And the customer was concerned about a stain under this table. I think it's that one right there. Okay, so this is the 1 area. Getting ready to pre-vacuum. And also an area right here. We'll just be cleaning around everything. Not that rug. Maybe more concerns of water stains. Water stains aren't guaranteed. It's depending on how long it's been there. If customers try to get it out themselves, that can actually make it worse than what it was, because as carpet cleaners, we wouldn't know what you tried to use to get it out. And if you use 1 or more solvents or cleaning solutions to try to get it out, we probably couldn't do as much. So we'll see. And upstairs I have a rug, a wool rug, and also a bedroom if we have time. Customer wants to do the bedroom also. So I'll be showing you guys footage of that, so stay tuned. just pre-vacuuming, getting up any dry soil. Before we put down pre-treatment and start agitating. And try to make sure all the dry soil is up. I'll finish this up. Stay tuned. Had to come roll my windows up. Forgot I left the driver's side window down. Starting to rain out here. Almost finished the basement area, and then I work my way upstairs. I gotta do a bedroom, and then that rug, the area rug. So stay tuned, Carpet Steam Pro. Alright, finished the downstairs area. Got the other room to do, but pretty much finished. This furniture staying. I don't think that's gonna budge. Customer already knows about it. Other than that, looks good. I'm working on the other room now. Stay tuned. Remember that furniture spot? Where that chair was? Looks like it's coming out. I thought it was gonna be stubborn and not come out, but it's like it's letting go. So I'll let that sit and then extract it one more time. It should be out completely. Go on, guys. Alright, as you can see, that spot is gone. I may put a little bit of spot stop on it. The little bit of residue should go away. So All right, Carpet Stain Pro. Off to the bedroom upstairs and the rug. Stay tuned. All right, this is the second level. The bedroom that I have to do. I'm not doing that rug. Just the floor. So let me get started. And then I have a rug and I'll show you guys the footage for that also. Stay tuned. Real quick, let me show you guys. Doing this rug right here. Stay tuned.